animals do you see? A dog and a cat. What are they doing? They are playing with a ball. What colors are on the ball? Yellow, blue, green, orange, and pink. What color is the cat? The cat is yellow and white. What color is the dog? The dog is brown. What color are the cat's eyes? The cat's eyes are blue. How many whiskers does a cat have on each side? The cat has 2 whiskers on each side. Do they look sad, happy, or angry? They look happy. What does a cat say? A cat says, meow. What does a dog say? A dog says, woof or arf. What is a baby cat called? A baby cat is a kitten. What is a baby dog called? A baby dog is a puppy. New videos every week. Please click subscribe.